Hello guys, welcome to Freshers World YouTube channel. A great news for you, EFI India Private Limited is hiring through us. Let's see for which role they are hiring for. So they are hiring for software engineer in contract basis. So let's see what is the eligibility criteria. Here you can see BE BTech, BCA, BSc, ME MTech, MCA 2019 passed out. So candidates who are from this criteria are all eligible for this. Though you belong to BE BTech and ME MTech in another stream, you should have proper coding skills or else this role will be a very difficult task for you. So here they are also saying that bachelor degree in computer science or engineering and a master's degree in engineering or management from reputed institutions are required. So before going in depth of JD or job description, people who are not sure about coding or who doesn't have good coding skills, this job notification is not for you. So let's see the responsibility part. As a contract software engineer, you will contribute to the analysis, design and development of features. As a strong individual contributor, you are expected to bring technical expertise to all discussions and help the product team make sound technical decisions. You must be able to understand requirements, understand existing features, design and architect solutions. You will have opportunity to learn and implement both existing and new technologies, especially C, C++, Objective-C on Windows or Mac OS platforms. Let's talk about skills and experience part. All the experience points, what here mentioned are not only the real time, even if you have quite good experience even in your college projects, even that helps. So the first point is strong design and programming and troubleshooting skills in C++ and multi-threaded programming on Windows or Mac OS. And the second point is knowledge of MFC widgets or any UI frameworks is preferred. And the third point is knowledge of web development using web architecture frameworks is preferred. And the next point is strong ability to understand existing code and create quality code from design models or documents. And coming to the next point, good understanding of object-oriented design and knowledge of product life cycles and associated issues must have been through at least one full product cycle. And the next point is the candidate must have a good, strong technical background and product delivery experience. And next point is desire, initiative or ability to learn more advanced technical and design concepts. See, basically all these points when you are listening to it, it's like half you already should know and you should be able to give your effort from the first day itself. And all these points also stating that you should be also a good learner, like you should be ready to take up new things or you should be ready to learn new things. So the next point is successful demonstration of sensitivity and commitment to business issues and problems. So the last point is exposure to printing industry would be an added advantage. Here in this point, they are clearly saying that the successful candidate will be an integral part of the succession plan of the organization and therefore must be committed and confident in his or her ability to become a trusted, respected member of a strong team. So they are clearly saying that if your work is very good, obviously they will just convert from your contract position to a permanent position. And let's talk about the experience part. Freshers can also apply and people who are having with basic months of experience also can apply for this. Let's talk about the salary part. The salary is 3 LPA. So basically 3 LPA in this point of time, it's a very good salary to start your career with. And coming to the work location, it's Bangalore. So guys, I'll be keeping this link in the description below. Apply and attend the interview and crack it up. So all the best guys. We are coming up with much more interesting notification videos for you. Do like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much.